Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to get Bot Lobbies Warzone PS5. So let's start. So as you can see here, I'm here on the official page of Warzone. You can see here that you can install on your PlayStation, Steam or Windows, depending on the device that you prefer. But how we can get lobbies? Well, the first method is using a Call of Duty VPN. A cut VPN is the most reliable and effective tool for accessing to the bot lobbies. It works by rerouting your matchmaking traffic to lower or disable, placing your overall easier lobbies. You will get more bot lobbies on average, as well as a casual experience playing code. The second method is to boxing patch method. Use it to be an alternative to VPNs to involve using a second device with low KD. Account manipulate matchmaking. Activision has since patched this method, making it ineffective. So, the better one is by VPN. What is a VPN? A VPN is something that you can change the country where your IP is. So, I recommend you to use our VPN that is NordVPN. If you use NordVPN, you can unlock shows from anywhere. You can play games anywhere or download games anywhere safely. And with our partner link in the description below, you will get a special discount. The link is always down there, so you can check it out. When you register, because it's very easy to register with our link, then you have to click on login. Here on login, you will find that you have to write your email address that you register and your password account. So then just click on login. When you do it, just wait a little bit and you will find the principal page of NordVPN. Let's go to the left side and you will find here a menu. Just click here on NordVPN, then just scroll down and let's go to the part that says manually set up. Just click here and here you will find the country where you are being. So if you want to change it, just click there. For example, let's see that the VPN for Warzone is better in Japan. Just select the one that says Japan and then you will find here a base of VPN. You want to select whatever VPN that you prefer and then just click here on get set up configuration. Start using the VPN and now you can play Warzone without any problem. If you're using on your PS5, you can start using the VPN there, no problem. Just go to your PS5 website or internet and then write NordVPN, log in your account and select the VPN there. There is no problem. You can use the VPN in whatever device you prefer, mobile phone or your PS5, Xbox, wherever. Now you can start playing it. So guys, well, I hope this information works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and don't forget to give a thumb up to this video.